Welcome friends. Let's see animal husbandry in relation to improvement of food resources. Animal husbandry, it is a branch of agriculture which deals with the feeding, shelter, health and breeding of domestic animals. Animal husbandry or husbandry means care, cultivation and breeding. The animals like buffalo, cow, goats, pig, sheep, cattle, horses, camels, honeybees, crabs, birds, fishes, prawns, silkworms, also culture. Need of animal husbandry to increase milk production, increase egg production, increase meat production, increase fish production, and for proper utilization of animal waste, that is biogas and manure. There are many types: cattle farming, poultry farming, apiculture, fish farming. Let's see dairy farm management. Milch breed. The cow of these breeds are high milk yielder and bullocks are poor for draught purpose. Some good milks giving indigenous species of breeds are Gir, Sahiwal, Red, it also called as Indian breed. Exotic breeds like Jersey, Brown Swiss, Holstein. Here you can see the Sahiwal cow. Here also different breeds of buffaloes like Mora, Pandharpuri, Surti, Nili, Ravi, Mehsana, Nagpuri, Jafrabadi. These are the Indian breeds, and some of the South Kanara and Toda are the lesser known breeds. Let's see farm management practices, which consist grooming of cattle, shelter, feeding and health care of cattle. Let's see grooming. Grooming means regular brushing of animals to remove dirt, loose hair and external parasites, washing animals. Shelter. A good shelter of animals should have protect animals from heat, cold and rain. It should be clean, dry, airy and well ventilated. It should be spacious so as to provide enough space for each animals to stay comfortably. It should have sloping floor for the hygienic disposal of animal excreta. You can see different types of shelters of animals. Feeding. The food of the animal is called feed. Food requirement is of two types: maintenance requirement, which support the basic function of life, and milk producing requirement, which increase the milk yield. Food additives. Dairy animal require minerals, vitamins and antibiotics. These commonly called feed additives. It protect animal from disease, enhance milk and promote the growth of animals. Feed for dairy animals mainly categorized into roughage and concentrates. Roughage means it contains large amount of fiber which has low nutrient content. It includes hay, fiber, silage, fodder and legumes like barsim, lucerne, grass and cowpea. Concentrate. It a mixture of cereal like maize, oat, barley, jowar, broken grams, rice polish, cotton seeds, gram bran, molasses and oil seed cakes. Moisture in the water. These are rich of protein, highly potable and easily digestible. Let's see White Revolution. Dr. V. Kurain is the founder chairman of National Dairy Development Board. It is also called as architect of Indian modern dairy, means huge increase in milk production. It is also known by father of White Revolution in India. Likewise, white revolution means increasing milk production. Silver revolution is related to increasing egg production. Blue revolution related to increasing fish production. Breeds is a group of animal within a species which have common origin and possess some distinguishing character that do not occur in other members of this species. Breeds can be of three types: indigenous or inbreed, exotic means foreign or outbreeding, hybrid means crossbreeding, offspring of cross between indigenous and exotic breeding. Let's see characteristics studied for crossbreeding: lactation, reproductive period, nutritional requirement, tolerance to climate condition means adaptation, resistance to disease, health, yield, nature and habits. Here crossbreeding: exotic or foreign breeds for high milk yield, long lactation period, and local indigenous breeds for disease resistance and acclimatization of a local breed or tolerance to temperature. Here are some examples of crossbreed cows. Let's see artificial breeding, or it also called as artificial insemination. The introduction of semen means sperms of male of a good breed male animals in the body or vagina of sperm of a healthy female animal by the artificial means is called artificial insemination. Veterinary Research Institute of India means IVRI, Izatnagar, UP is the important artificial insemination center out of 6,000 centers across the country. The first experiment of artificial insemination was performed by the Spallanzani in 1780 to obtain hybrid pups. Let's see super ovulation. It is a technique where cow is made to ovulate more ova by injecting reproductive hormones. Usually cow release only one ova in a one estrogen cycle, but by injecting reproductive hormones the cow is made to release more ova. It also called as multiple ovulation embryo transfer means MOET. The embryo transplantation means developing of embryo from superior breeds is removed and transplanted into another female. It is also called as surrogate mother or nourishing mother for further development. By this method, both quality and production in the livestock can be improved. Cattle disease. Various diseases are attacked to the cattle. The healthy animals can be recognized by regular feeding, normal posture and a definite body temperature, normal pulse rate and normal respiration rate. Disease adversely affect the milk production and may even cause the death. Here the dairy products: first, milk producing or milk production. Second one, milk processing. The excessive milk are processed and stored, and after that marketing and distribution to the other source. The variety of milk products like curd, cream, butter, ghee, khova, cheese, condensed milk, milk powder, paneer, srikhand, milkshake, lassi, etc. are prepared from the milk and it is marketed or distributed. Here we seen about the dairy farm. Okay, thank you.